Are you thinking about moving to Cincinnati, but you're not sure which suburb you want to move to? Well, today we're taking a look at Wyoming, which is one of the area's most desirable neighborhoods, and we're going to talk about some of the pros and also some of the cons you should know before you make your move. Hey, my name is Evan. I'm a local Cincinnati realtor. Real quick, if you're thinking about making a move to Cincinnati, I'd love to help you out. All of my contact information will be in the description. You can call, text, email, or book a call with me, whatever you prefer. Let's get right into the video. All right, so I'm actually going to start off with the cons and then we'll move on to the pros later in the video. So let's start off with con number one, which is going to be the cost of living in Wyoming. Now, the city of Cincinnati as a whole is pretty affordable, especially compared to other major cities. However, there are certain pockets of the city that are more expensive, and Wyoming certainly falls in that pocket. While the median sold price in Hamilton County usually hovers around $300,000, in Wyoming so far this year, the median sold price is $428,000. So you're looking at an increase of over $100,000 if you want to live in Wyoming compared to other neighborhoods in Cincinnati. Most of the homes here in Wyoming are going to be more historic architecture, so you'll see a lot of older homes. You have some built as early as the late 1880s and a lot in the early 1900s as well. All right, moving on to con number two, and that is going to be the limited nightlife or entertainment in Wyoming. Now, I understand this could potentially be a non-factor for you, depending on if you're someone who's moving with your family and that's just not your thing. Wyoming is definitely, I would say, catered to a slightly older crowd. You're not going to find like a ton of bars or things like that in Wyoming. The most you're going to find in terms of nightlife and things like that would probably be in the area around Gilligan's Pub, which is a brewery in Wyoming. There's an outdoor like small amphitheater with some green space, and that is a DORA designated area. So that just means that you can take drinks and walk around. They do play live music there, but other than that, most of the activities are going to revolve around the Wyoming football team, the high school football team, or there's Winton Woods that's nearby, things like that. And con number three is going to be how far Wyoming is from downtown Cincinnati. So if you're someone who's moving to Cincinnati and you're looking for an area where you're still close to all that downtown has to offer, maybe you're moving here because you got a job at Kroger or Procter & Gamble or Great American, or you just want to be down there for all the activities there are to do. Wyoming is definitely pretty north of downtown Cincinnati. Now, technically speaking, if you look it up on Google Maps, it's going to tell you that you can take I-75 and you can get to downtown Cincinnati in 20 to 25 minutes. Now, that is assuming there is no traffic. And I will be the first to tell you that I-75 traffic is horrible. So you probably have a 3 to 4 hour gap in the midday where traffic isn't as bad, but if you're heading there in the morning or you're heading after work and you want to go downtown, definitely expect to add on 20 plus minutes, in many cases even more than 20 minutes to get downtown. So if you're looking for somewhere with quick access to downtown, I would not consider Wyoming to be one of those. All right, so that was our three cons. And so now let's go over and talk about our pros of living in Wyoming. But before we do that, I just want to ask if you've enjoyed the video so far, thank you so much for watching. If you would consider giving this video a like, it would help me out so much. And also consider subscribing if you want more content like this. All right, let's get on to the pros. Number one, I have to mention the excellent school systems that Wyoming has. Wyoming City schools are ranked the 9th best school district in all of Ohio, according to niche.com. Niche.com ranks school systems and cities and things like that. They take a lot of things into account, like crime rate, and when they're talking about schools, they take into account academic testing and teacher-to-student ratio and things like that. So they have them ranked as the 9th best school district in the entire state of Ohio. All right, and the second pro of living in Wyoming is going to be the low crime rate. I will put up the stats on the screen for you that I pulled from niche.com. that shows where they rank in terms of the national average for things like theft and robbery and things like that. But niche.com actually has Wyoming rated as the 5th best place to raise a family in the Cincinnati area. So this is certainly a family-oriented town, and if that is something that is important to you, I would highly recommend checking out and considering Wyoming. And my third pro for living in Wyoming is going to be the historic charm and the character of Wyoming as a whole, specifically the homes and the architecture here. It's a lot of tree-lined streets and a lot of historic architecture. You have historic homes, mature trees, well-maintained properties, and so if you're someone who's looking for a more mature and historic feel in a neighborhood, it's definitely got that small town, tight-knit community feel, while still being at least decently close to Cincinnati, downtown Cincinnati, if you need to go there or if that is something that you would like access to at least here and there. All right, so that was 3 cons and 3 pros to living in Wyoming. I definitely made this video shorter than my usual videos because I like to ramble a lot, so let me know if you like this style or if you prefer me to go more in depth. I'd be happy to do so. Overall, if you're looking for excellent schools and a tight-knit community, then Wyoming is certainly something that I would put at the top of your list when considering a move in Cincinnati. But if you're after maybe access to nightlife, or if you need a bit of a lower cost of living, then I would definitely consider looking elsewhere, as Wyoming is certainly a little pricier compared to other places in Cincinnati. If you're considering a move to Wyoming or anywhere in Cincinnati for that matter, I'd love to help you out. All of my contact information is in the description, so please reach out. You can call, text, email, book a call with me, however you see fit. I get calls and texts from people like you every single day, and I love it. So I would love to help you make your move to Cincinnati. And also, if you could do me a favor, if you enjoyed this video, first of all, thank you for watching this far. If you could give it a like and consider subscribing if you want more content on Cincinnati and the real estate market as a whole. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.